Turmeric is commonly used as a seasoning in food and can be also used as a dye for clothes. Turmeric's health benefits are vast, but not very well known. So if you're not a curry fan, turmeric milk is an excellent option. Simply add a half teaspoon of turmeric to hot or cold milk. Here are the following benefits of drinking turmeric milk before bedtime. 1. It is a liver tonic. Laboratory tests and clinical studies have demonstrated the ability of the curcumin in turmeric to prevent and reverse liver cirrhosis and fatty liver. Liver, being the chemical hub of the body, is constantly engaged in the processing of chemical substances entering the body. That includes environmental pollutants, chemical additives in processed foods, and drugs taken for other disease conditions. The hepato-protective and detoxifying action of turmeric reduces the impact of injuries to liver tissue by these toxic substances, increasing the production of bile. It helps remove biliary obstructions too. 2. It is an excellent blood purifier. Turmeric has always been regarded as an excellent detoxifying agent. Our body has to deal with an onslaught of toxins that enter the blood through our food and drink, as well as the respiratory tract. They can damage not only the blood vessels, but all the other tissues that the contaminated blood reaches. Toxins in the blood are the underlying causes of many abnormal skin conditions and other diseases. Turmeric helps the elimination of blood impurities by improving the function of the liver, which is entrusted with the duty of identifying these toxins and finding a way to eliminate them. Moreover, the diuretic effect of turmeric helps flush out these toxins through urine. 3. Improved digestion. Turmeric can be used to help treat a variety of digestive problems, including digestive tract inflammation and reduction of gas and bloating. Just a little daily can help with almost any condition. However, those with gallbladder disease should not take turmeric due to overstimulation. 4. Heart health. Curcumin has also been shown to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, remove plaque buildups in the arteries, and prevent blood clotting. 5. It has anti-cancer properties. The curcumin in turmeric has been shown to kill cancer cells and prevent their spread to other areas in laboratory studies. It is found to be effective against cancers of the breast, prostate, skin, colon, and lung. Many cancerous growths go undetected and untreated in the initial stages when it would have been much easier to stop them in their tracks. Drinking turmeric milk regularly may help prevent malignant growths as well as stop their progression in the early stages. 6. Gives relief from a cough and cold. Turmeric milk is a commonly used traditional remedy for a cough, cold, and other respiratory tract infections. Turmeric increases mucus production, which naturally flushes out the microbes that have managed to get a foothold in the respiratory tract. The antiviral and antibacterial properties of turmeric can help fight the infections, while the anti-inflammatory property helps relieve the symptoms. A cup of warm turmeric milk before going to bed will relieve nighttime cough and provide restful sleep. Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health videos and natural remedies, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for instant notification. That way, you won't miss any video from us. Also, don't forget to check out our other health videos and recipes on our channel.